channel. How are you today? Alright, so I feel like we've gotten to the point in our relationship where we need to have a specific sound effect, almost like a really pretty sounding alarm that means engage the safe zone filter, because I hauled again. Okay, so you know, the holidays are around the corner and the season's changing and it's turtleneck weather. So I did a fashion haul and it's kind of big. So I wanted to come up with a way that I could do a haul video that would not only be like, oh cool, she got a lot of cool stuff, but I could also show you how I intend to use all this cool stuff. So I put outfits together. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm totally justifying the fact that I'm about to show you a bunch of stuff that I got. So before we get into it, this video is in partnership with JustFab. So we're gonna talk about JustFab for a little bit. Now, when JustFab asked me to work with them, they didn't know that I was already very familiar with the website. In fact, I learned about JustFab a few years ago. I saw a commercial on TV and it was one of those commercials that tells you, oh, come to our website and you could take this 60-second quiz and we'll tell you your style. And okay, I'm the type of person that gets lost in the rabbit hole of quizzes, like on Facebook. Like, I wanna know what chip I would be. And I also wanna know what Hogwarts house I would be assigned to, okay? So maybe I didn't like my results, Slytherin, but you know, I like to take these little quizzes. Anyway, so I took the JustFab quiz. I was really surprised because they give you thousands of results. Like, oh, this is the type of style you have, so here are some options. And I was like, wait a minute, don't act like you know me. The reason that I like to shop from JustFab is because I feel like it's one of those websites that allows everyone to play in the sandbox. So not only can you get shoes and handbags and accessories and dresses and skirts and sweaters and coats, it has a wide range of sizes and it doesn't have a style that you're like, oh, well, I'm too old for that style, I'm too young for that style, or that doesn't fit me. It's one of those websites that everyone can shop from and feel great about. Another thing that I like about JustFab, you guys, and this is how you're gonna know how bouche-tastic I am, is that they have exclusive designs and styles on their website. So like if you see it on there, you're not gonna see it anywhere else. It's exclusive to JustFab, so like if you're wearing it, you're like, I know you're not gonna find this anywhere else. Look at me with my leopard coat. Yeah, there's a leopard coat in this haul. Just saying, it's not the only leopard thing in this haul, actually. All right, guys, let's get to the juicy details. So JustFab was kind enough to offer you guys 50% off your entire order. Just let that sink in for a second. So if you follow the link in my description box, it's gonna get you 50% off your entire order. Now, JustFab is one of those websites that does have a VIP program. It's kind of like a membership service. So if you already are a VIP, you'll get that discount on top of your VIP perks. So if you're a VIP, you get 30 to 60% off your orders, and you get free shipping when you make a purchase of $39 or more, which, let's be honest, that's very easy to do when you're shopping for a whole new fall wardrobe. So what I did is I styled 6 outfits for you guys. I also hauled from other retailers, which all of the items that you guys are going to see in this haul will be listed and linked in the description box below. I made sure to style from top to bottom with stuff that you can still get. So you guys could technically jump off this video and buy all the same outfits, and then we could be full on twinning for fall and winter. Let me tell you guys, I would live for that. So I'm gonna show you guys 6 outfits that I would and will be wearing this fall and winter. My style's a little bit different. I've always considered myself like a tomboy that like got smashed into a bouche-tastic princess. Like, I like to have a little bit of a tomboy-esque edge to my look or my style. So you'll see a lot of like thigh-high socks and booties. I do love my leopard print. And I'm a child of the 90s. So you're going to see that 90s theme carried out through these 6 outfits. I filmed this video a little bit different for you guys because I thought it would be more helpful to show you how I would style the outfit or the item instead of showing you like, this is my boot, this is my skirt, this is my sweater. You know what I mean? You're gonna get to see the outfit from top to bottom, and like I said, everything that you see will be listed and linked in the description box below. But don't forget that if you guys want to check out Just Fab, there is a link in the description box below that's gonna get you guys 50% off your total purchase. Do you think I could use my own link? Okay, anyway, let me just show you these outfits. Enjoyed this video. Like I told you, all of these items, shoes, socks, skirts, pleather pants, all of it is still available. I will list it and link it in the description box below. Don't forget to go show Just Fab some love. There will be a link in the description box below that is going to give you 50% off. You know what? You know what you should do? This is what you guys should do. You should jump off this video and go take the quiz and then tell me what style you got in the comment section below. Because I want to see which one of you guys got the same style that I did. So go take that 60-second quiz. Let me know what your style is. And if you already shop from Just Fab and you've tried something super cute and super leopard, can y'all let me know? Because I'm kind of on a leopard print kick right now, if you haven't been able to tell. And I kind of want to keep riding the wave. So I hope that's okay with you. I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!